Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Subaru Starlink. Alright, if you drive a Subaru and you want to set up Subaru Starlink, I'm going to walk through it step by step in very simple terms using your phone. First, unlock your phone. If you are on iPhone, open the App Store. In the search bar, type My Subaru. This is the official page used for My Subaru Starlink. Download and open the app. Now tap Create Account, enter your email address, create a password and verify your email when promoted. Once you're logged in, the app will ask you to add your vehicle. Tap Add Vehicle, enter your VIN number, find on your insurance card or in registration. Type in the VIN number and tap Continue. App will now connect your Subaru to your account. Next, you will see options for Starlink service or remote service. This includes remote start, lock and unlock features, vehicle status, vehicle location. To use these features, you need to activate Starlink subscription. Many vehicles from Subaru comes with free trial. If you see free trial option, follow the steps to activate it. Once setup is complete, your vehicle will appear on your phone screen. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.